guys, so today I have something new to share with you from Diamond Press that they have brought to HSN. It is a mini Slimline card kit called Girl Gang, and like I said, it's now available there. Maybe I said that, maybe I didn't. Anyway, it is now available there on HSN. Oh, how cute. And I always like to open things, you know, from package just to show you exactly what you'll expect there. And it's has some little puffy corners there to keep everything nice and safe. So I'm going to slip this out of here, but real quick, Diamond Press did send this out free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links I'll have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. So thanks for using those if you like. I'm going to open this, the plastic. I'm just going to take the plastic off and I'll be right back. Guys, let's look at this. How cute are the little hearts? And then this is something new with Diamond Press, and I keep forgetting they have these little stickers, and I should remove those also. But in the last card kit, I believe there were 3 of them, and you can just take them off very carefully and it won't damage, you know, your box or anything like that. And I'll place that over here. This one's already kind of lifting up, so we'll just get that guy off. And oh, this one does have 4. See? Last time there were 3. So one on every side. Let me get that going. And let's check it out. I love the hearts. I love the little dots at the bottom of my heart. That's so cute. The little pattern here. And then when you open it up, it says, be your own kind of beautiful. Again, nice sturdy box. Great for holding your cards once you've created them, or anything else after, you know, they're all used up. Mini Slimline card kit. Here we go. So 24 Slimline cards, 8 designs, 3 of each. We have puffy stickers, 30 yards of raffia, 6 colors, 5 yards of each. The number 6 envelopes, which are the envelopes that we'll work with. And mini, look how cute. Oh my gosh, I hadn't seen them because I just grabbed the paper here. The mini Slimlines, 4 colors of those. 32 die cuts. So you already have some layering pieces, which is really great. Look at the 20 paper bows, 5 designs, 4 of each. 24 foil clear stickers. Ooh, we'll check those out. 100 die cuts, 50 designs, and 2 of each. And then the storage box, of course. And look at this. Oh my gosh, girl power there, of course. How cute. So let's open this up and let's see about this lighting. Maybe if I can keep this. I don't know that I'll be able to. It's okay. All right. Let's try to get the glare gone. These are so cute. The color is beautiful. So again, like a fuchsia, we have the orange, yellow, light blue, a lime green, and like a dark blue. Super fresh pops of color there. Let's check this out after we check out these other pieces. Hold on. So, okay, so we have the puff stickers, which are the little design like on the box. How cute. I love those little dots. I don't know if you can see at the bottom. It's very organic looking. Let me grab these guys. And I know I jumped right into the goodies. Usually I start with the card bases and then go from there. But here we go. So underneath we have these cute stickers. Oh my goodness. So they are pretty flat. Obviously they're dimensional in that they, you know, have like the foldovers and everything for the bow, but they're relatively flat there, and the little, look at the little, even the centers are in there. Oh my gosh, hope you can see those. And they have a little dimensional adhesive on the back. Really nice size. I don't know if you can tell, but I'll give you a quick size on those. They're like maybe 1 1/4 inches by like 1 1/2, almost 1 1/2 in the other direction. Look at these. These are the stickers they were mentioning there earlier. I can pop these out real quick and see if we can get a better look without too much glare, but they are on a shiny carrier there. So 2 sheets. Love those girl power. They have a clear background, so they're like, I guess like acetate, but you know, they're clear. Friends or family you choose. Blessed to have friends like you. I mean, love my tribe. How cute. And then, okay, so let's look at the card bases. And we'll just go through these and we'll put together a couple of cards. I mean, how adorable are these? And I will give you a measurement, but I believe these are going to be like, yeah, 3.5 by 6. And that is my preferred mini Slimline size for sure. So we have these with like the brush strokes all over there. And again, super thick cardstock. I would say it's right in the 300 GSM, 110 pound kind of weight. This one with the little light blue background and the cute little like, doodle kind of design. I love this pattern. It is so pretty. So white background with those cute hearts. And then we have this little fun geometric pattern. Very organic, but still a geometric look. Those peaches and corals, love it. Look at this one, all green and fun. A little meadow. The little bows on that kind of peachy, corally background with a deeper coral or peachy color bow. And then this, oh, I love this pattern. So pretty, everything that's going on there. Love all those colors together. And then kind of a chartreuse kind of green. Really, really nice with the little like rainbow kind of pattern. Okay, and then we have the envelopes that, let me open these up real quick. I know a lot of times I'll just point out that there's envelopes, but I don't really get to them. So, I mean, you know, it's a standard envelope. It feels really nice. I should check those out more often. Sorry, guys. I just kind of point them out as far as the colors, but these are really nice envelopes, nice and thick and very pretty. So I'll pop those guys back in there. Put this back here, and then we have the die cut pieces. So again, nice layering, and then you can just pop whatever it is that you would like on top of those. Really cool. This one looks very much like one of the dies that they had in their recent mini Slimline kit. How cool is that? So it has the scallop edge, but then it has little like stitching. Oh, look at all these colors. So again, navy, white, I would say like a coral color, a deeper pink, a lighter kind of powdery pink, a little kind of lime green, between lime and like a chartreuse green. I mean, look at this one. So it's more like a teal turquoisey color, and this one's probably like a light gray, light blue. I don't know if you can see that difference there. So lots of those. And then this cool shape here, and the same kind of colorway. Maybe slightly different. Cute. All right, well, oh my gosh, you guys, I was just going to move on and start making cards, but you know what? I put these to the side because I said we'll look at them in a minute, and then we did not check them out yet. Die cuts, again, 52 of each. So 52 of each, not 52 of each. Hope that makes sense. Look at how cool the little gang is all there. This gal's blowing her bubble gum, kind of looking off to the distance with her sunglasses. We have our Rosie the Riveter type lady here. Oh my gosh. Little flowers, all kinds of characters. I love that they have different skin tones. That is awesome. Honestly, my family, there's 5 of us, my little immediate family, and we all have different skin tones, so I love to see that. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then the little bows, and lots of bows, lots of flowers, the characters, Call Me, Go Girl, oh, the little phone, Girl Gang, oh, You're My Person, and then we have like the other little gal with her bubble gum there. So much representation. I love this. This is so great. Let's chat. Be you, for you, there for you. Good times, good friends, soul sisters. Bestie squad. Together we can. These are so awesome. Oh my gosh. Hey there, girlfriend. All tongue-tied. This would be a really nice gift for a teenager, young gal. I think they would really like these. Happy birthday, bestie. Life is better with my best friend. And look at all those little flowers. So cute. Okay, so now we'll put some of these things together to the side. We'll grab a card base and we'll put some cards together. Okay, so let's start off with this card base. I know when I was going through them, I noticed this is a colorway that I don't normally work with, so I thought that would be fun to put together in this video. So let's check that out. So I brought up that, and then we have our pieces here. I mean, that's pretty. I'm sure this is very pretty too. The dark blue would be really nice. The pops of pink. Let's go with, well, that one's totally different. Let's go with the chartreuse color. Why not? Well, we'll start off with that. You know, I'm just going to put some things down, and then if I want to switch that color out, we can do that. Let's see here. We have the stickers. Ooh. Let's see. You know what? I suppose I'm just going to go ahead and stick this down. Let's put this one here. The Always There For You. And I'm going to put it down in a way that the gold lettering is straight, hopefully. I'm just kind of looking at the Y's where they end, and that's where I'm going to keep it. And then the paint doesn't matter, you know, it's just doing its own thing. So that's already a little something there I'm going to put down. And then I'm just going to play with some of these pieces, you know, and I will be right back. I'm just going to, you know, see what looks good, and then I'll be right back. So fun. I mean, I was just kind of trying out the little phone, and there's another phone that's like more pink, and then I thought, well, let me bring some of the blue back, and then, you know, with the Always There For You, I have the gals here, and then Our Friendship Is the Best. I think that is really cute. So I haven't stuck any of this down yet as far as this part, but let's go ahead and glue down our base. Oopsie. And then we'll go from there. So I'll put some dimensionals and things like that. So let's get this guy down. And have that there. Lovely. And then this guy I'm pretty much going to stick down flat, so I'll just do that. And I'm putting it in a way that I can put this little bow, and I'm going to pop these little bits out of the bow. So let me just take a second to do that, all 4 quadrants of this bow, and I will be right back. You know, actually, I can get a little bit closer. Actually, this only has the 3 little holes there, and the other one's held down. And, you know, I mean, if you want some dimension, you can, some dimension, you can definitely pick that up, or however, but I put it in a way so that this wouldn't just be hanging off too much. And let's bring this up just a little bit. There we go. And I'll put some dimensionals on these guys, and I probably should have done it before, but that's alright. So I'm going to pop these on here and take the carriers off, and I'll be right back. Take the carriers off of those guys, and we'll have always there for you there. Really cute card. Again, the colors are just, they just pop, like super bright and lovely and really fun. So let me grab another card base and we'll create another one. That. I was just kind of auditioning these guys. I think we'll go with this one. And I'm going to run that through an embossing folder just to get some dimension on it. And so just, you know, whatever embossing folder strikes your fancy. Oh, this little hearts one. Let's do that. So I have this one here. Usually I just look over. I have a ton of embossing folders next to me here, and I just pick one. And I keep them that way so that I remember to use them. So maybe that's a little tip, I don't know. But I have them in a basket next to me. I'm just going to run that through, and I'll be right back. And these papers are really nice and thick. And so, you know, they emboss really nicely. So there you go. And I believe, I was going to say, they are white core. So if you wanted to scrub over that with like a little nail buffer kind of thing, you can definitely do that and expose some of that white core. And for right now, I think we're just going to do that. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick that down yet or exactly how I'm going to stick it down. So I do want to use some of the bows. So again, I'm just going to go through and see about these guys. I was going to make one that might be a little quicker. Oh, we have happy birthday. So yeah, I'll start with the sentiment and then kind of build from there. So, you know, whichever is I like, and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys, I think this will be really sweet. Just like a little like collage of different things. So let me take that piece out there. And again, I was debating if I'm going to glue this down or pop it up. Let's go ahead and pop it up. So I'm going to put some dimensionals on this, and I'll be right back. This one I'm doing a lot of pink and that coral color, and I'll probably keep it that way. So let me put that as well in the center as I can. And then we have Girl Talk, and I'll probably pop this up. So let's put Girl Talk on here. And again, only a little bit of this is actually touching, but I'll put, oh, you know what? There's also a little piece to pop out on this one, which is really nice. And so if we have that there, then we have this here. Okay, and then this guy, let's have some fun with like dimension. So let's put that up right there. But then let's glue the bottom part down. So we have this. We'll put some glue here. And we'll have Call Me kind of here. So we have the dimension, but it'll glue down right here so it kind of sits up. I'm going to hold that down for just a second and I'll be back. So far we have this, which is very cute, just like that. But I am going to add another bow, and I want to keep it all in that same pinky, corally kind of things. But, I mean, that little pop of blue is very nice. I just kind of looked at it this way and thought that's what I would do. So let me see, where do I want to put that? I think right there will be cute. Oh my gosh. Just again, a little collage there. And then we have these little guys that maybe we can pop up here. And I'll choose the ones that are more, again, that same color family. Oh my gosh. Oh, and the little hearts in the background. I didn't even think about that. Cute. Okay, like that one. And maybe this one. Cute little jet puffs. And there's another sweet card done real quickly. We had a little texture with some embossing folders, but you know, you can just use what's in the kit and they look really great. So thanks so much, Die Press, for sending these items for review. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.